Hi guys, welcome to my channel Louisa's Kitchen. Today I want to make one of the famous Russian salad. This salad usually we make for New Year or special holidays and occasions. Name of the salad Oливье. It's a French name, but it's our Russian salad. And this is a really good and tasty salad. First I'm gonna show you all our ingredients, what we need for this salad. I have 1 can of green sweet peas. I'm gonna use couple kosher dill pickles. We're gonna use some mayonnaise, between 10 and 12 eggs, hard-boiled eggs. And I'm gonna use today the smoked sausage like that, and I have 2 onions here, between 4 or 5 potatoes. If normal size, you can have maybe 4 like this size. We're gonna use salt and pepper to the taste, and some other people like to put carrot. I'm not gonna use carrots because my son doesn't like carrots. So I have heated my electric stove. I'm gonna put my water here. And I'm gonna cut my potatoes in a cube. Little tiny cubes we have to cut our potatoes. So guys, I have here cut in a beautiful nice cubes my 4 medium-sized potatoes. Now we're gonna put this in the water to boil our potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna cover with lid. It will be quicker. In the mixing bowl I'm gonna put my can of sweet peas. So I'm gonna take maybe 4 like these pieces, and we're gonna cook the same way. I have my pickles ready. I'm gonna put in my mixing bowl here. So it's look like that. I'm gonna start cut the smoked sausage. So we're gonna put our sausage in our mixing bowl like that. Cut our eggs. If you would like, guys, you can use the tools for the eggs, like that tools. We're gonna put right inside. If you don't have these tools, or you just prefer to use your knife, then you can cut by knife, and we'll have to do the same all cubes. I'm gonna put my mixing bowl right here that I'm gonna cut right inside. I'm gonna make first like that, then turn on different side, and again long ways cut, then perpendicular, and like that nice cubes. We have the beautiful nice cubes, and it's gonna be faster. Our potatoes is done, so I'm gonna drain this water and let potatoes cool down completely. So guys, you can see my potatoes is done, it's cooled down. So I'm gonna put back to my mixing bowl here. You can see how it start coming beautiful. We add here potatoes, and you see I start cut my onions the same little tiny cubes. You can chop them more if you would like. And I'm gonna cut the second one. So guys, now you can see I put the onions. Now I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. See, I have here a little bit less than half my mayonnaise. So I'm gonna count by spoons. 1 tablespoon like that. So I'm gonna add a little bit salt. I'm gonna add a little bit black pepper. And one more thing, this is optional, you don't have to do this. I like just for myself. I would like to put garlic powder. I'm gonna put like 1 tablespoon. And now we're gonna mix well till well combine all ingredients, and our salad will be ready. And voila, our salad is ready. See how it's look beautiful, and it's so tasty, guys. You have to try. You can make experience with different type of sausage, or even you can make with chicken breast. That's what look our Russian salad Olivie. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. You can subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can put thumbs up, and we'll see you again. Have a nice day, guys, and see you later. Bye-bye. Пока-пока.